Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW M8 in car parking multiplayer. This luxurious sports car is a fantastic addition to any garage, but it does require some dedication to acquire. You'll need to accumulate a good amount of in-game cash and gold coins to make this dream car yours. Let's dive into the best strategies to earn currency and drive your very own M8, making your garage truly stand out. To build up your cash reserves, focus on completing the many parking and driving missions available. These provide reliable income as you progress through the game. For a more passive approach, consider working as a toll collector. Simply set your device to never turn off and let the money accumulate. You can also operate a taxi, following navigation to drop off passengers for cash bonuses. Gold coins are crucial for premium purchases like the M8. Engage with daily tasks and weekly challenges, as these often offer significant coin bonuses. Racing against other players in multiplayer mode is another excellent way to earn gold. Winning races provides substantial rewards. Additionally, if you're creative, design and sell custom car liveries to other players for a potentially large profit. Once you've diligently earned enough cash and gold, you're ready to make your purchase. The BMW M8 typically costs around 3,500 gold coins. Head to the in-game dealership, select the M8, and complete the transaction. After acquiring it, personalize your new ride with performance upgrades, custom paint, and unique vinyls to truly make it your own. Enjoy cruising in your new BMW M8.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.